Welcome to this tutorial that walks you through how to register a business for the Fairfax County Food and Beverage Tax. To get started, navigate to the Food and Beverage Tax portal. Then, review the disclaimer statement. Click I accept in order to proceed. If you have an existing business professional and occupational license or BPOL, your business has been pre-registered for the food and beverage tax. You must then select the option, Yes, I have an existing Fairfax County business account. You will need to enter the officer contact information. Then you can proceed to filing. Otherwise, to register a business for the food and beverage tax, select the option, No, I do not have a Fairfax County business account. In the business information section, provide the required information about your business. Select your business organization type. Then enter the federal employer identification number and/or the Social Security number associated with the business. Enter the business name. If your business is incorporated, provide the corporate name. Enter the registered trade name of the business. Complete this field even if the trade name of the business is the same as the business owner name. Next, provide a detailed description of your business activities and the food and beverages sold in Fairfax County. Click Next to continue. Select the business filing type, either annual or seasonal. Then, provide the start date for the business, and if applicable, enter the end date. Next, enter your business contact information including name, title, email, and phone number. Our office may reach out to the contact person listed here if additional information is required to process your application. Next, check the box if you would like to receive updates and important notices by email. Then, if the officer is not the same as the point of contact, enter the officer contact information. Otherwise, check the box to indicate that the information is the same as the point of contact. Additional officer contact information may be required. Click Next to continue. Then, provide the following information about your business location address. First, indicate whether the business you are registering for operates from a commercial property, is home-based, or throughout county by selecting the appropriate option. Businesses operating from some location types may be required to complete additional fields. In the address fields below, enter the business location address. If you're operating from your home, use your residential address. If you're unsure of your business address, use the Look Up Business Location Addresses button to find your location. For this, you will need to fill in the street name and select the correct address from the drop-down menu. After selecting an address, this feature will autofill the remaining location address fields. Next, provide your mailing address. This is where all official county correspondence will be sent. If the mailing address is different from the location address, enter your mailing address in the fields provided. Otherwise, check the box to indicate that the mailing address is the same as the location address. Click Next to continue. Review the summary of your filing information. Check the box to certify it is accurate. Next, enter your business contact information including name, email, phone number, and title. Our office may reach out to the contact person listed here if additional information is required to process your application. If the submitter's name and contact information is the same as the officer contact and/or point of contact, select the button to autofill the information. When you are finished and ready to finalize your application, click Submit. After a successful registration, the confirmation screen will load. Click Print to PDF to keep a copy for your records. Thank you for watching this guide to registering a business for the Fairfax County Food and Beverage Tax. For more information, visit the Fairfax County Tax Administration website or reach out to our office at the contact information listed here.